The Phoenix Customer Loyalty Program is a great way to reward your customers. This video will show you how to enroll customers, accumulate points, and then redeem points. Now this video does not cover the setup of the loyalty program. Let's start out with enrolling a customer. First we're going to look up that customer. Now we can do this by selecting New for a new customer or putting in the phone number for an existing customer. So let's put in a number and then we'll look this customer up. Now once the customer comes up, we're going to select Edit, and then we'll select More. Then down here near the bottom is a checkbox. By selecting that, you enroll the customer in the Loyalty Points program. Now if you select the next field, you can now swipe the card to put in the customer's loyalty number, or you can put in a unique number. And we're going to just use his phone number. So we'll select Save and Close. Now let's go ahead and take an order now that the customer is ready to accumulate points. And let's go ahead and add a quantity of maybe 5 here so we can get lots of points going. And then we'll select Finish. And we'll close this as we normally would to a dine-in. And then Pay. Now we can print this. We can have the points earned, the point balance, and the points nearing expiration on the customer's receipt. Now here's an example of a ticket. As we scroll down near the bottom, we'll see that we have printed the point balance for this customer. And in this case, it looks like he has 12 points. Alright, now if an existing loyalty customer comes in to order food, you can take their order, then look them up by choosing the Loyalty Card button on the tender screen. Or you can swipe the card to look up the customer, or type in their card number. So let's go ahead and place an order. And we'll select Finish. And then let's select Dine In. Now let's select the Loyalty Card button. And here I could swipe the card, or I could put in their unique number. In this case, we'll use that number, which is their phone number. Now you can see that it's added their name to the top of the virtual ticket. So let's go ahead and close it out, just like normal. And now that customer has accumulated points for that order. When the customer is ready to redeem points, we'll look up the customer. Now you can use the full search to swipe the card if you want. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll select Full Search. And then in Full Search we have a field called Loyalty Cards. We'll put our cursor there. Now we can swipe the card at this point or put in that unique number, in our case that phone number. So then look up the customer, and let's go ahead and close out of the last order recall screen. And then we can see over on the left that we have our point balance. In this case it's 16. Now to redeem the points, we'll select the Redeem Points button. And we can use all of them or a partial amount. Let's use $10. Alright, let's go ahead and take an order and we'll see how that coupon is applied. So we'll select a pizza, how about Italian? And you can see that it's added a coupon with the name of our points program. So let's go and finish it as normal. Select Dine In, and then Exact, Cash, and then Pay. Okay, now to manage the customer's coupon point balances, we'll go to the Manager's home screen. And then we'll select Customer. And once in the customer screen, let's go ahead and look up that customer we've been adding point balances to. And then we'll select that customer, and then select Customer Details. Now down near the bottom left, we have an Adjust button. Selecting that will bring up a screen that we can see all the orders taken that apply points to this customer, as well as the ability to add points or subtract points. And now you know how to run your own customer loyalty points program within the Phoenix system.